So hey there everyone, we are here at AI Engineer Singapore and I'm with Amirul from Cloudflare. Hey Amirul,
Hey, hello.
great to meet you.
Yes,
And how are you feeling with AI Engineer Singapore? How is it going for you?
I think it was crazy. I mean, a lot of engineers coming here and we talk a lot about AIs, agentic models and everything. Uh, I mean, if you know, like past couple of weeks, people talk about AI. Things are moving a lot fast than we expected, and then we need to do something about it.
Yeah. And I know I've seen Cloudflare doing a lot of stuff, starting with AI Gateway, Agents SDK, and a lot. Would you like to share about what all things Cloudflare is offering for this AI ecosystem?
I think what we want to offer is that one is where you can deploy your agents. That's one important thing, and how easy for you to deploy an agents. Whether it's just a chatbot LLM with some agentic capabilities, or you want to build a full suite with just one click, and then agents all do all your job.
Yeah.
That's one thing. Another part is that how you secure your agents. You need to make sure that security not just comes from the user, also security comes from the agent itself, how they access a certain information, how they access like your API keys and so on. So that is one part that a lot of people are missing out. They just like build things and then they don't care about it as long as it works, right? So that's where Cloudflare can fit. We deploy easily and then we can secure your agents.
Awesome. Yeah. Because today's world security is major factors and this is a very good step, I guess, from to go to the basic AI agents to things that actually works in production. Right. And you also mentioned about like agents. Whenever we talk about agents, the discussion comes about MCPs, right?
Yeah.
So you were mentioning previously about the MCP portal. So can you tell a bit about that, about the MCP portal and how people can use it with Cloudflare?
Yeah, sure. So MCP Portals is part of our Zero Trust Cloudflare One offering. So it allows, for example, you give like your employees a chat GPT access or any kind of chat interface. You connect with MCPs and maybe they have some kind of like Google MCP, Google Workspace MCP, others MCP, even internal wiki MCPs, right? They can connect it by themselves. But then how do you ensure that you know who is connecting what and what data are being passed through on those MCP? So what MCP Portals does is that you combine all those multiple MCP into one single MCP servers. You give access to like certain people, whatever MCP they can have access to. So you have the control, you have the visibility of what your internal users are accessing, and then with that you can create your own policies on how things can work, how can people use AI safely.
Yeah, this is actually very important, the policy part you mentioned, because for enterprise use cases, the internal agents that use, let's say, in a very big company, they would like to scope the permission to the certain section. But that totally makes sense. Yeah, it was great talking to you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, no
Have a
worries.
good event.
Yeah, you
Bye.
too.
Yeah.
All right.